Is Stephen Nedoroscik ready to dance his way into your heart? Yes, the Pommel horse guy is hitting the dance floor on Dancing with the Stars Season 33. ABC announced that gymnast Stephen Nedoroscik, who took the internet by storm during the 2024 Paris Olympics, is joining the dance competition. Nedoroscik, 25, became an internet sensation for his unique pommel horse skills and his calm demeanor. He was the first celebrity confirmed for the new season and broke the news on Good Morning America. Stephen won a bronze medal on the pommel horse in Paris and helped the US team secure a bronze in the team final. His laid-back, almost sleepy demeanor even earned him numerous internet memes. One fan commented, "Pommel horse guy is about to do the biggest pommel horse of his life and appears to be taking a peaceful nap." Nedoroscik saw the memes and embraced the humor. On Good Morning America, he explained that his calm demeanor was a strategy to stay relaxed before the competition. He even hinted that viewers might see this calm approach on the dance floor. He plans to bring a unique gymnastic flair to the dance routines. Comparisons have also been made between Nedoroscik and a real-life Clark Kent due to his glasses. He mentioned on The Tonight Show that he had to turn off notifications on his phone to stay focused. With his gymnastic prowess and calm strategy, he's ready to take on a new challenge. The excitement builds as fans await the premiere of Dancing with the Stars Season 33. Alfonso Ribeiro and Julianne Howe will return as co-hosts, bringing their charm and energy to the show. The judging panel will feature Carrie-Anne Inaba, Bruno Tonioli, and Derek Ho. The full cast lineup is still under wraps, adding to the anticipation. Previous seasons have featured a wide range of celebrity contestants, each bringing their unique style. This season promises to be no different, with a mix of talents and personalities. Nedoroscik's presence is sure to add an exciting dynamic to the competition. The premiere is set for September 17 on ABC and Disney+. Mark your calendars and get ready for a new season of dazzling performances. Will Stephen's gymnastic skills translate to the dance floor? Fans are eager to see how he adapts and what surprises he has in store. Stay tuned for an unforgettable season of Dancing with the Stars. Get ready to cheer on the pommel horse guy as he takes on this new challenge.